Today, we're comparing two camera beasts, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Starting off with the main camera video test at 4K 60 frames per second. S26 Ultra is on the left, and Pixel 10 Pro XL is on the right. Both phones look really good here, but Samsung is giving a slightly brighter and cleaner image, while Pixel looks a bit more contrasty and natural. The sky, clouds, and water are handled well on both, but Samsung looks more eye-catching, while Pixel keeps a more realistic tone. Now this is the ultra-wide video test at 4K 60 frames per second. Samsung gives a brighter and warmer look, especially in the sand and sky. The Pixel looks slightly darker and more contrasty. Both are sharp, but the color style is different. Samsung feels more vibrant and ready for social media, while Pixel looks more natural and controlled. Now moving to the 5x optical zoom test. Both phones are using 5x zoom, so this is a fair comparison. Samsung's image looks a bit brighter and smoother, while the Pixel has stronger contrast and a slightly warmer tone. The subject is clear on both, but Samsung gives the frame a cleaner look, while Pixel keeps more depth in the shadows. Now this is the ultra-wide stabilization test from the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The footage looks smooth and the movement is well controlled. The road, sky, and surroundings stay stable without too much shake. The ultra-wide lens also helps because the wider frame makes movement look smoother and more cinematic. Now this is the night video test, and this is where smartphone cameras really struggle. Samsung is brighter, and you can see more detail in the road, buildings, and dark areas. Pixel looks darker, but it keeps the nighttime mood more natural. For practical use, Samsung is better if you want more visibility. But if you like a darker, more realistic night look, Pixel still does a good job. For me, Samsung has the edge here. Now let's check some daylight photos. In daylight, both phones capture a lot of detail, but their processing is different. Samsung usually gives a brighter and more vibrant image. Pixel keeps the image more natural, with slightly stronger contrast and more realistic colors. In the camel shot and city shot, Samsung looks more lively, while Pixel looks more controlled. Now moving to night mode photos. Here, Samsung is clearly going for a brighter look. The subject, background, and shadows are more visible. Pixel keeps the night scene darker and more natural. It doesn't brighten everything as much, which some people may prefer. Samsung looks more impressive at first glance because it reveals more detail, but Pixel keeps more of the real night atmosphere. So this one depends on your taste. Alright, so which phone looked better to you? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.